Let's face it, to build a new website or redesign your old one, you have two options. You can start learning the principal tools of building a website like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Photoshop, Illustrator. Well, you get the idea. Or you can be smarter and look for someone who is a professional in web design, like us. We are experienced in building quality websites for our clients. We always start with strategy and planning to build a clear vision about what you need. After that, our professional copywriters will jump onto writing your content. Once this is done, your website will be passed on to the design and development part. This phase will ensure that you get a fully responsive design that is easy to use regardless of any screen size, retina ready, and support to touch devices. All these features will be implemented using the latest technology in web development. This is followed by regular maintenance where we guarantee that you'll get the latest updates and bugs fixed. Whether your website is a blog, e-commerce, corporate, forum, or so,